Alright guys, back here with another video. So this one, maybe a free form. I might have to leave at some point, so I will let you know. But yes, so this is going to be a short update for Friday, short interest. And I know I haven't been doing a couple of days of this type of update. Apologize for that. Just been so drained lately after work. But yeah, I just feel like there's nothing change here, right? You see the same price range, 22. Really nice to see that it's actually holding up in this level. 22 to 23, that $1 increment again. So I don't know, can they walk it down substantially more than what it is today, right? And I always say in every video that I do here is that if you see GME under $20, count it as a blessing, right? And again, why am I saying that? I might be biased, right? Because I own GameStop, right? So, or I just have this halo effect of this company. So this is why, make your own decision, do your own research. You might come out with a different opinion than I do about this company, right? So, all right. So let's just go through the number, and we'll go through the next step after this. All right. So this, like I said, was from Friday, 14 April 2023, 2246. After hours, 2248. Nothing happened there, and of course, I point this out already. The $1 increment here. It seems as though the short interest went down a little bit. That's pretty like weird, because I mean, it's not really that weird, honestly, because they might be slowly covering it, but look at the volume. The reason why the day to cover is so high, 26 day to cover, that means there's zero volume almost, right? So it seems like maybe two, if you divide this, right? It's like 2 million shares being traded. That is not much at all. And the fact that it still stay at $22, above $22, at that level, at that volume being traded, it means that nobody wants to sell it, right? And nobody wants to buy either, right? When I said nobody, I mean institutional. Now, when institutional is coming back because the company is profitable, the company is doing well, balance sheet wise and whatever, improving, 100 millions at a time, where do you think the money's gonna come? I mean, again, retail is not going to move the market. What moves the market is the big institutional investment or investor out there who have, billions of dollars to invest in one company, right? So be on the lookout for that. When they come, oh my God, you will experience something that, you might not be able to contain yourself, right? You might want to sell right away, right? This type of movement, right? But anyways, it might be my own pipe dream here to say that. But just look at the volume. Like, again, every single day that I do this, the volume is really low, right? And look at this dark pool. It jumped up to 60% again, right? So yeah, I mean, come on, it's the writing is on the wall here, right? All right. So let's move on to this website here. Actually, let me. All right, I'm back. Look at this website right here, right? So it's called U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistic, and the number that we saw in the other website was this major category right here, right? So 5%. I'm assuming they are encompassing everything, food, energy, and all that stuff. But if you look at the category of food right here, 8.5% year on year. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that it affects lower income, fixed income household much more because everybody needs food to survive. And if food goes up by 8.5%, and the majority of your income, lower income, goes to food, what do you think is going to happen, right? It's just going to crush you. Now, $200 a month may not seem too much for people who are actually going to be able to cover that with higher income or middle income or whatever. But $200 a month for people who live in paycheck to paycheck is a lot. Is a lot of money for them. Okay, it means between, okay, do you want to keep your house warm or just put on more sweater, during winter time. Now, the good thing about that, about this month is that the energy prices went down substantially. That's pretty good right now. Whether that data is being botched, who knows, right? That's remained to be seen because, you hear about OPEC's cutting oil production by 1 million barrel a day or something like that, or a year. That's a lot. I mean, it's gonna affect the gas price and all that stuff, right? And so, stuff like that. The macro economy, economic is going to affect these type of measurements. And then this one is all item less food and energy. So when you account for that one, it is 5.6%, right? So yeah, I mean, it's still elevated, but it's coming down from what it used to be. All right, and then so it seems like they were using just major category to figure that out. And if you look at the projection from the second quarter, they projected to go even lower, right? And the rate, it seems like they will do another 25 basis point, or this is just again estimation. It's not an all be all. It really depends what the Fed's gonna do, right? Again, this is just a projection. So next quarter, one more hike, and then they're gonna stay for 6 months, or 9 months of that, and then first quarter next year they're gonna start cutting rate. All right, what else? So I was gonna show you this retail month to month. It was estimated to be down by 1% again, right? Now last month the same way. So what does that mean? It means that month on month it's gonna be down by 1%. So that means if it continue on that path, month to month, every quarter it's going to be down by 3%, right? So my thought about that would be if GME could kind of achieve the same rate of stay flat or whatever, that means that they are beating the kind of overall economic data on retail, sales already. All right, so again, so that's all I have for this one. Of course, sorry about the long-winded video here. I just want to kind of, look into the data that I have not kind of shown you guys before. I want to do another one that has to do with the commercial real estate. I'm kind of looking into that right now. Again, I'm not an expert on any of this. This is just me kind of like, look into what's going on when it comes to like real estate, and I'm trying to get into that field, and to see if I could benefit from this downturn as well. All right, guys, that's all I have. Have a nice weekend, and we'll see you when I see you.